Today, we're in Poole and we're looking at how the power of going live as a shopping centre on Facebook can really help the local community. This is the Dolphin Centre. It's a local community shopping mall based in Poole. And the Dolphin Shopping Centre cemented themselves as a pillar of the community by supporting a local choir who was raising money for the people in Ukraine. As a shopping centre, this is exactly what they should be doing. They should be watching out for various events, and they should be looking at how they can support them, irrespective of what it's about. It's about a community coming together, even if it's not their event. By showing it live on Facebook, they not only supported the event, but they gave the choir their platform. As you can see, this was formed by the Chicken Soup Choir, the 147 Choir, the 6 o'clock Choir, and the Feel Good Singers. So they've named all of them. It would also have been amazing if they did tag them, if they had Facebook, but it might have been that they didn't actually know about that at the time. But by showing it live on Facebook, they not only supported the event, but they gave the choir the choirs all an individual platform on their much bigger platform, as well as engaging a load of potentially previously unengaged shoppers, seeing as their video views on this has gone to 160,000 with 14,000 engagements. And their usual videos get only a few hundred views. Now, of course, the reason that this video was so huge is actually because of the topic, and of course, because it's a community, everyone coming together, and it's ultimately an emotive topic for people all around the world. However, the fact that the shopping centre gave it a platform and allowed it to reach so many new people, thus the shopping centre in return cemented itself as a pillar of the community, in turn shows that it works for everyone. The power of going live truly is really, really special. This is just 2 of 333 comments. People are loving it, people want to support, and the shopping centre has a bigger platform than most of the normal local choirs. So in doing this, they're supporting the community, they're supporting people across the world, and they're allowing people to hear the power of a community coming together, which is really amazing. So any business should follow suit, and remember that community is everything. So even if it's not your event, going live is hugely powerful, and ultimately it's a free tool at your disposal, which can help the local community reach more people, whilst of course supporting your centre and your Facebook page as well. Now, if I was the Dolphin Centre, what I would want to do is to look at how else I can engage within my location to find more community groups, more charities, more maybe social enterprises and things that I can support. So I would go to my Maybe platform, and then I would put in I would go to engagement and go to engage. I would click location, and I would pop in here Poole. And then what comes up is this. So it's the top sort of most engaged businesses or anyone with Google My Business across the whole of Poole. And if you click here, you can toggle between national business, but what you would want is local businesses, and it comes up with the best posts. So here you can see all of the sort of most engaged businesses that you could get engaged with on in and around Poole, which means that you can support them, they can support you. You might support some local social enterprises, you might support some local charities, you might see some of your own retailers on there. But either way, it's just such a good way of finding more people that you can support as a pillar of the community, supporting local businesses. If you've got any other questions at all, please click on the little blue button. It connects you to us 24/7. We love to help.